Only thing I want to know if you could feel the energy, okay? Because you know when I'm out in these Dollar Tree streets, honey, I'm going to have you move your feet to the beat. Now, make sure you have a list, okay, Linda? Don't you come buying up everything. Now, Dollar Tree has the sriracha. This is definitely new. This is the sriracha hot chili sauce, $1.25. Definitely going to give this a try. I am so excited to deliver, okay? Can we get a round of applause? Now listen, we're in a Dollar Tree. We're about to deliver. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now, you know when I put the blindfolds on, you know that the video is about to go down. Now these are thicker than I don't know what. You get what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm coming or going. Dollar Tree is in a place to be. Let's check it out. We also have these gorgeous decals over here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look how they have it. Gold trim. Love that. Absolutely gorgeous. Now they have different ones. They also have this one over here. Really, really cute. And then they also have like the flower design going on. And if you're a person, you like, Dina, I like, you know, more basic. I don't like all that gold. Look at this. They also have the bows over here, the decals. Really, really cute. These are $1.25. Oh, they have it. All right, so this mascara right here is the best mascara. Defining and volumizing from Marie Claire. This is good. Remember how I told you guys about the eyebrow pencil from Marie Claire? Honey, I got it going on today, okay? You see the eyebrows? This is, and let me tell you something. I got gray hairs in my brows, and this covers so well. Not saying that I want to cover it, but I'm just saying. You guys been asking, you've been looking, you've been wanting, you've been searching. Dun, 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 dun. So Dollar Tree has the lemon glaze. Yes, we found it. They have the lemon glaze moisturizing body wash. Now this is from Pro Silk, $1.25. You know, when I first seen these items that Dollar Tree had, the Pro Silk salon, like the coconut, they also had the orange rings. I was so excited, and to know that Dollar Tree is always pretty much selling this is a steal deal like Holyfield. Loved it. So a great find that I just came across is your soup. Look at this. This is a lip balm, $1.25, watermelon scented, and they have a few of these. They also have the grape scented, really nice. Oh honey, they have one all the way in the back.
And they also have the strawberry one.
The berry scented.
Berry scented.
$1.25. These are so cute. Oh lordy, look at this. So they have the Brazilian hairspray, child, notes of pistachio and salted caramel. If this is anything like the body Brazilian mist, honey, hands down the best of the best, not like the rest, okay? $1.25. Now Dollar Tree also have this edge and braid gel. This is $1.25. Really good, inexpensive. Now they also have the men's hair and beard styling. This putty over here with beeswax, Larry's Choice. They had this last year. Styling cream, fiber wax. They have different ones. Pomade, honey, whatever floats your boats, they have it. They also have the softies. I absolutely love softy. This growth oil thickening. It has stuff in there like nettle and also horsetail, $1.25. All new finds. I could just give you the best of the best. You get what I'm saying? Not like the rest. Now Dollar Tree has the little dinosauric bath bombs. Check these out. Now, when it comes to bath bombs, Dollar Tree is definitely delivering. The little dinosauric bath bombs, these are so cute. Now, this is blueberry. They also have the strawberry. This is a nice $1.25. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has is the feminine moisturizer, the daily care water-based gel, hyaluronic acid, external feminine moisturizer. Now, I was thinking that these were, honey, $5. These are $1.25. The Cocoa Boom with coconut oil and jojoba, and then they also have the feminine body wash, helps to control odor. Now, you said that you want the new items, right? The best of the best. Look at this. So Dollar Tree has the vitamin C from Global Beauty Gel. This is the facial serum, anti-aging skin repair serum. Now, let me tell you something about the Dollar Tree serums. Okay, right now I have on my Face Glow from Clinicals. It is so amazing. It is really, really good. That is a steal deal like Holyfield. Love it. Another new find. Oh, they have so many new items. Is the Hydro Plus Water Gel with hyaluronic acid. This is compared to Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, $1.25. Check this out. Another item that Dollar Tree has is the Marie Clear Liquid Blush. This is $1.25. Let me tell you something. They've been coming out with so much of Marie Clear lately at Dollar Tree, and I absolutely love Marie Clear. Marie Clear Setting Power, $1.25 for flawless finish. And it's just, you see the packaging, you know you finna get something, okay? Precision Liquid Eyeliner from Marie Clear, $1.25 as well. Really, really good. If you guys are looking for Marie Claire Smoky Delight, they have the highlighter, the eyeshadow, and a contour. This is $1.25. Oh, they have it. All right, so this mascara right here is the best mascara, the defining and volumizing from Marie Claire. This is good. Listen, my loves, if you are looking for a mascara at Dollar Tree, now there's a few that I recommend. This one right here from Marie Claire, the best of the best, not like the rest. Hey family, so the one from LA Colors, I absolutely swear by this mascara. Love this. It is absolutely amazing. It is the Lift and Lock volumizing, check, full check. Love this. This is amazing. So if you come across this in Dollar Tree, my Dollar Tree, they currently sold out. If you come across this, if you're looking for a great mascara, this one, and definitely, most definitely, the Marie Claire. Another great find Dollar Tree has is the Hydrate and Lip Oil with hyaluronic acid. This is $1.25. They have so many amazing finds. Now, if you guys know the brand Milk, okay, that they normally sell at Sephora, Dollar Tree has the dupe, the lip jelly and cheek tint. This is so cute from Be Pure. This is $1.25. And when I tell you, I absolutely love this. Now, you may think like, oh my goodness, is it jelly? It's not really going to be pigmented. Honey, it is pigmented, okay? Hyaluronic acid, love this stuff. Now, another items that Dollar Tree has is the pedicure set. This is the 4 pieces. They also have these beauty scissors over here, kind of to the environment. Okay, wheat straw. They also have these gorgeous wrap stickers. And look at these gorgeous nails with the hearts on it. I love that. 12 pieces for $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for some more nails from Dollar Tree, they definitely have the nail art tips from Ione. These are so gorgeous. It gives me Easter vibes. You get what I'm saying? It really does. Now, these wrap stickers over here, really, really nice. They also have the decal stickers. Oh, these nails are gorgeous. These are $12 for $1.25. Now, Amani want to show you guys these items.
I just found these nails. They're kind of purplish. And they're pretty cute, and I just found this. You could put this on your nails, and this is another color of the purple. And I just found another one that it looks real good, like nice and sparkly. And I just found another one of this, but it's all like this. So these kind of look good. So I guess I'll buy some. I don't know.
Not today. Now, another great find at Dollar Tree is the For You Finish Nail Polish collection. Dollar Tree has, this is cute. We seen these the other day. This silver looking one. Okay. They also have this teal, this green, bluish. Now, the green is my thing, like a chicken wing. All right, Dollar Tree also have the hipsters over here. These are the fluffy stuff, cotton candy hipsters. These are $1.25. One pair for $1.25. These are a steal deal. Now they also have the Tootsie Roll. These Popeyes, really, really good. Another new item at Dollar Tree is the Hair Milk Hydrate and Leave-In Conditioner. This is $1.25. And a person said that this was really, really good. Oh, Lordy, look at this. So they have the Brazilian hair spray, child, notes of pistachio and salted caramel. If this is anything like the Body Brazilian Mist, honey, hands down the best of the best, not like the rest, okay? $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have this edge and braid gel. This is $1.25. Really, really good, inexpensive. Now, they also have the men's hair and beard styling. This putty over here with beeswax, Larry's Choice. They had this last year, styling cream, fiber wax. They have different ones. Pomade, honey, whatever floats your boats, they have it. They also have the softies. I absolutely love softy. This growth oil thickening. It has stuff in there like nettle and also horsetail. $1.25. Peace, family. So today we are at the Dollar Tree in Bayonne, New Jersey. They have some amazing new wallpaper. Check this out. So when it comes to the wallpaper, Dollar Tree has some amazing new wallpaper. Look at this. This is so, so cute. This one is giving me newbies, okay? New vibes, right? New vibes, new tribes. $1.25. They also have this one you guys just seen. Then they also have the butterfly one. Now, this one is not a new item, a new wallpaper, but I absolutely love this. How they have the blue, the gold, and the pink. I love the gold trim. Really, really nice. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I remember growing up, I heard somebody say that wallpaper causes roaches. Honey, let me know in the comment section if you believe that, okay? Now, Dollar Tree also had the Extreme Heat Full Cushion Thermal Socks, Dry Fresh. If you guys are up north, okay, or Chicago area, Dollar Tree has these socks, these Extreme Heat socks. You know it's finna be a cold one, all right? Now, these are $1.25, I believe. Honey, get into it and do it. Now, Dollar Tree also have the gorgeous, let me tell you something. Growing up, I absolutely loved Jimmy Neutron, the cartoon, but they also have the Nickelodeon Rugrats socks. You see these? Oh, and Hey Arnold. Lordy, Hey Arnold was the truth. Okay, move it for forehead. You remember that? Now, Dollar Tree also have the Hey Arnold socks over here. These are $1.25. And then they also have Ren Stampy, I think that's how you pronounce it, Barbie socks. They have absolutely gorgeous. Love this. Cinderella. All right, honey. Is that Cinderella? I think so. So you guys wanted to see more food items. Okay, so here it goes. Check this out. All right, so Dollar Tree has the Jack's Pull Apart Pizza Sticks Pepperoni. These are $2. You get 4 sticks. Now listen, you guys know I've been on this frenzy lately, like with the dumplings, eating dumplings like 3 times out of the week. The beef dumplings is hands down the best of the best. But they don't have the beef dumplings. They waiting on the truck. They definitely have the chicken one. Oh my goodness. Now, I'm going to put you guys on some game. I done showed you a video on how to dress the dumplings up. Dollar Tree has this amazing sauce. Now, these dumplings are $3. They also have the vegetable spring rolls. These are $1.75. Now, the pot stickers, I really don't care for these. It's a 10 count, $1.75 for the ones that may be interested in it. Now, these ice creams right here, oh my goodness, Magnum, really, really good. These are $5. My fave is definitely the Good Humor Strawberry Shortcake. These are $5. Let me get a box. And let me get a box of these. Alright, so Dollar Tree has the Pop Daddies. I think it was the cinnamon sugar ones that I said that tasted really, really good. Now, they have the Pop Daddy, the Candy Apple, I think it's called. So good. Now, I'm not really a pretzel person when it comes to pretzels, but if it has like cinnamon on it, cinnamon sugar, these are good. These are $1.25. Amazing. Honey, I can only give you the new of the newest. Okay, check this out. Did you guys see this? Really, really amazing. They have the Swedish fish mini. These are glow ups. $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for a snack that's like more so on the healthier side, okay, this is the organic lollipops from Dollar Tree, and we had these. These were really, really good for $1.25. I mean, it's a steal deal like Holyfield. Amazing. So this is definitely new, the Sour Berry Blue Jello Candy Squares at Dollar Tree. These are $1.25. Honey, they just, they just showing out at this point. Listen, Dollar Tree has, these are the Sure Fresh reusable squares. Now, what I absolutely love about these are airtight, okay? You get to pop it up. Pop it down. You see this? You see where I'm going with this? Really amazing. Now, these are $1.50. Good. Really, really good. Now, Dollar Tree has a few of these, okay? They have a few.
I don't understand why you said. I don't really understand.
All right, so we found them, okay? We found them at the Dollar Tree. Honey, it's always the hunt and the thrill of it. Okay, coming to Dollar Tree and finding the items. Absolutely love this. $1.50, not bad at all. Really good. Sauces that I absolutely swear by, the Sriracha Ranch, amazing, hands down. Honey, you're gonna thank me later. Also, the crunchy chili onion, I definitely need to grab one of these because we don't have any more. Well, it's a little drop left. Those sauces are definitely amazing. Now, Dollar Tree also has the balsamic glaze. These are $1.25. Love it. They also have the Kenders. This is the barbecue sauce hickory brown sugar. Absolutely amazing. Wait, hold on. Okay, so some of you guys, you was asking for food, right? Now, and I showed you some of the food items. Now, Dollar Tree has some new sauces that I absolutely love. This one, by far, my fave. But they also have the honey chai chili sauce. How about that? $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for seasonings, they definitely isn't a place to be. So I'm definitely going to get the honey Thai chili sauce, $1.25. Only thing I want to know if you could feel the energy, okay? Because you know when I'm out in these Dollar Tree streets, honey, I'm going to have you move your feet to the beat. Now, make sure you have a list, okay, Linda? Don't you come buying up everything. Now, Dollar Tree has the Sriracha. This is definitely new. This is the Sriracha hot chili sauce, $1.25. Definitely going to give this a try. Love this. Let's go to the register. All right, family, listen. They had so many fire, and I do mean fire, items, okay? The vitamin C serum, absolutely amazing. The Marie Claire, the mascara, absolutely amazing. Those pop-up topper storage containers, absolutely hands down the best of the best. We have a few snacks that me and Amani about to try. Honey, let us know in the comments section, what are some of your favorite items that you had just purchased from Dollar Tree? Also, what are some of the items that you are definitely on the lookout for? And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Until next time. Peace.